Good morning, my dear children. Hope all of you are doing well and in good health. Let me introduce myself. I am Prajita and I am going to teach you EVS. So, let us start our class with a silent prayer. Okay, thank you, children. Shall we start? Are you all ready, children? Yes? Ready. Very good. Children, please take your Pearls textbook. All of you, please take your Pearls textbook. Okay. Page number 162. Page number 162. I think all of you have taken your textbook. Very good. You have to write about yourself. Children, no need to write it now. You can write it later. Okay. First one, you have to draw a picture in the box. Have you seen one box there in your textbook? Yes? Okay. You have to draw your picture in the box, or you can paste your photo in that box. Understood, all of you? Yes. Then you have to write about yourself. You have to write about yourself. My name is. What is your name, children? Yes, my name is, for example, my name is Rahul. You can write your name there. Then, I am dash years old. How old are you? 5? Yes? Or 6? Yes, I am 6 years old. Then, I am in class. I am in class. Which class you are going to in? Yes, you are going to first standard, isn't it? Yes, I am in class 1. Very good. I like to eat. Which are the food items do you like most? Ice creams? Yes. Chocolates? Yes. Cakes? Yes? Okay. You can write it, whichever food which you like most. I like to eat ice cream. Okay, very good. I like the color. Which color do you like most? Is it red, green, yellow? Yes? You can write the color there. I like the color red. I like to sing, dance, draw or play. Which hobbies do you like? I like to, for example, singing, drawing, playing. Like you have to write, I like to sing. Some will write, I like to dance. Okay, very good. Children, please close your textbook now. All of you, please close your textbooks. Okay. Children, look at me, children. Are you listening me? Yes? Okay. Shall we begin? Yes? Okay. All of you, please look at me. Yes. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Children, what are these? Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips. What are these? Yes, these are our body parts. Very good. Now, today we are going to learn about different body parts. Very good. Our body has many parts. Our body has many parts such as head, come on, eyes, ears, nose, hands. Okay, our body has many parts. Very good. Each part of our body does some work. Each part of our body does some work. For example, about our hands. What are the use of our hands? Yes, we can write with our hands. We can clap. We can hold things, isn't it? So, each part of our body does some specific work. Understood? Okay. Let me explain each part of our body. Okay, first one is head. Children, please repeat with me. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Next is ears. Next one is our ears. E-A-R-S. Children, please repeat. E-A-R-S. Ears. Next one is our eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Very good. Next one is our thumb. Next one is our thumb. What is the spelling of thumb? T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Next one is our fingers. Show me your fingers, children. Yes. How many fingers do you have? Yes? Yes, we have 10 fingers. Very good. What is the spelling of fingers? F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Very good. Next is our hand. What are the uses of our hand? Yes, we can hold things, we can write, then we can clap with the help of our hand. What is the spelling? H-A-N-D. Hand. Very good. Next is neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Repeat, children. N-E-C-K. Neck. Next is chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. C-H-E-S-T. This is our chest. This is our hand. These are the fingers. This is thumb. These are the ears. This is our nose. These are the eyes. This is our head. Hope all of you are listening. Yes? Okay. Next is our stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. The food we eat goes into our stomach. Very good. Next is our elbow. E-L-B-O-W. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. This part is our elbow. So this is the stomach. This one is stomach and this is chest. This is our elbow. Next is arm. This part is our arm. A-R-M. Arm. This portion is our arm. This part. A-R-M. Arm. Next is leg. What are the uses of our legs? What are the uses of our legs, children? Yes? Correct. We use our legs to run. Yes, run, to jump. Yes? Very good. Next, what is the spelling of leg? L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Then knee. Spelling of knee is K-N-E-E. This portion is our knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Then This part is our food. F-O-O-T, food. This part is called food. F-O-O-T, food. Very good. Next, these are our toes. Tell me louder, children. Toes. T-O-E-S. T-O-E-S. Toes. How many toes do we have? Yes? Yes, we have 10. We have 10 toes like our fingers. Very good. Okay, children, listen here. We use our hands to hold things, to write, and then to clap. Very good. We use our hands to hold things, yes, to write, then to clap. Very good. Next is about our legs. We use our legs to walk, then to jump. We use our legs to walk, jump and run. Yes, we use our legs to walk, then jump and run. Very good, children. Next is about our sense organs. Sense organs. What is the spelling of sense organs? Yes, E-N-S-E, sense. What is the spelling of organs? O-R-G-A-N-S, organs, sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? Yes, children? 5 sense organs. Very good. Which are our 5 sense organs? Our eyes, then ears, nose, then tongue and skin. Which are our 5 sense organs? Come on, children. Come on. Yes. Eyes, our ears, nose, tongue and skin. They are our 5 friends. They are called sense organs. Do you all have friends, isn't it? Yes. So, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 friends. They are called sense organs. They are called sense organs. Okay. Let me explain each sense organs in detail. Okay. First one is our eyes. Our eyes help us to see the things. Isn't it, children? Our eyes help us to see the things. What is this, children? Yes? Yes? Yeah, it's a tree. Very good. What is this? It's an apple. Okay, our eyes help us to see the things around us. Isn't it? You can see the tree and you can see the apple. So our eyes help us to see. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next is our ears. Our ears help us to hear the sounds. Our ears help us to hear the sounds. What is this? This is a bell. What is this? It's a guitar. Very good. So we can hear sounds with the help of our ears. Very good. Next is nose. Our nose helps us to smell. Smell. Very good. Our nose helps us to smell. Very good. What is this? Perfume. Very good. Do you get the smell of perfume? Yes? Okay. Next is one rose flower. Very good. With the help of nose, we used to smell. Isn't it? Okay. Next one is tongue. What is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Very good. Our tongue helps us to taste the food, isn't it? Children, do you all like cake? Yes? Our tongue helps us to taste the food. What is this? Yes, it's a cake. What is this? It's a lemon. So our tongue helps us to taste the food. Next is our skin. Next is our skin. Our skin helps us to feel. Our skin helps us to feel. This is an eyes, and this is what? Is it a cold or hot object? Yes? Cold one, very good. This is a cup of tea. Yes? Okay. Is it hot or cold? It's a hot one. So our skin helps us to feel. Our skin helps us to feel. Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. So tell me, children, which are our sense organs? Yes? Eyes, correct? Ears, yes. Nose, very good. Next, tongue, yes. One more is there. Skin. These are our 5 sense organs. So, which are our 5 sense organs, children? Yes. Very good. Children, please repeat with me. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. Very good. I feel with my skin. I feel with my skin. Very good. Next we are going to play one game. Are you all interested to play games? Yes? Okay, children. Please listen to me. Now I am going to name a body part. Then you are going to show me that part of your body. Understood, all of you? For example, show me your head. Show me your head, children. Yes, this is our head. You have to show that. Understood, all of you? Let's begin. Are you all ready? Yes? Children, listen here, children. Are you all ready? Yes. So, show me your fingers. Children, show me your fingers. Yes? Come on, fast. Children, yes. Show me your fingers. Yes? These are your fingers. Very good. Show me your eyes, children. Show me your eyes. Yes? Show me your eyes. Yes, these are our eyes. These are our eyes. Very good. Children, show me your nose. Show me. Yes? Yes. Hurry up, hurry up. Show me your nose. Yes, this is our nose. Very good. Then show me your ears. Yes? These are your ears. Very good. Hope all of you enjoyed the game, isn't it? Was it interesting? Yes? Okay. Children, I am going to show one video. Please listen to it.
Sense organs. Some body parts help us to know the world around us. Eyes. Our eyes help us to see things around us.
I hope all of you enjoyed the video.
Ears. Our ears help us to hear sounds. Nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. Tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. Skin. Our skin helps us to be in touch. These five parts help us to know or sense the world around us. They are called sense organs.
Children, next is one song. Please listen to that song.
This is my head, these are my ears, these are my eyes, this is my nose. These are my cheeks, this is my chin, this is my mouth, these are my teeth. This is my tongue, this is my neck, these are my shoulders and these are my hands. This is my elbow, this is my wrist, these are my fingers, this is my chest. This is my stomach, this is my back, this is my knee, this is my leg. This is my hand, this is my foot, these are my toes and these are my body parts.
Children, hope you all enjoyed the song, isn't it? Yes? Okay. So what all we discussed today? Yes? About different body parts. Very good. So which are our sense organs? Yes? Which are our sense organs? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Ears, yes? Nose, then eyes, tongue and skin. You have 5 sense organs. Okay children, hope all of you understood the topic, and there is one assignment to you. Okay children, you have to paste and name pictures of different sense organs in your notebook. I repeat, you have to paste and name the pictures of sense organs in your notebook. Okay children, hope to meet you again in the next class. Children, hope you all understood the topic, and may God bless you children. Thank you. Bye.